Hello, this is the hands-free K2 kit, and there's two models of this depending on the radio type that you have. This one here is the TH-100, which is for all TTI CB radios, and then you can buy the TH-100P, which is for President and Midland radios. They both come with a 6-pin DIN. So you need to make sure that when you order this product from us that you tell us which one that you want and what radio you have. So let's have a look at the actual hands-free product. So here it is. So it comes in a little box like this, and what you have is your 6-pin DIN there, and you have your red lead. There's a red lead that comes with that, and because there's a little amplifier in this, that red lead is your 12 volt DC. Now I do know that there's some TTI radios that take 12 volts and 24 volts, but this hands-free kit is only designed for 12 volts, so make sure that you only give this 12 volts. So this is the hands-free device here, and what you do is you press the button, press the talk, PTT, and then you press it again to switch it off. If you forget to switch it off, there's a setting here for 1, 2 or 3 minutes, and you can set it to either 1 minute, 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So if you press the button to key and you forget to press it, you can set this to automatically switch it off depending on how long you want it on, 1, 2 or 3 minutes. And that's basically the hands-free kit. So as mentioned, make sure you order the right model. If it's a TTI radio, you need TH-100. If it's a President or Midland radio, you need the TH-100P.